Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater, and today I have the pleasure of walking you guys through a gorgeous 2021 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. The 17 Montauk's powered by a 115 Merc 4-stroke sitting on a single axle galvanized trailer with a swing tongue. So this is a boat that can fit in a lot of garages, get on the side of a house, just really versatile storage. But it's spacious. At 17.4 overall and a 7.3 beam, it's Coast Guard rated for 7. This boat's gonna have bay boat ride quality, but able to get everywhere a flats boat can get. Go one day from being a people mover to a shallow water fishing machine to even doing some nearshore wrecks. Center console with side storage inside the console. You have the Montauk got an upgrade a couple years ago, and now has a in-floor fuel cell system, giving you a lot of storage space in the leaning post, and the leaning post can switch to be aft facing for fishing. And have a backrest facing aft. You got a couple rod holders back here. These can quickly be transformed into little jump seats if need be. You got easy boarding ladder on the transom here, and a lot of aft cockpit space. After the leaning post, we have recessed grab handles, both fore and aft, a full beam fish box, fully insulated, an anchor locker in front of that. Can also be used as dry storage, and both of these drain overboard. So great use of Whaler's engineering here on allowing these to drain overboard. You have a trolling motor power ready, so it's ready to go for a trolling motor fishing package. We got rod holders integrated in front of the console, in front of the windshield. Big igloo cooler that's removable and doubles as an extra seat in a pinch. Cup holders on either side here. Blue bimini top. Can fully remove with a couple pins or go to just a stowed trailer position. This is a white hull with matching navy blue decals. The boat just ties all together. Got plenty of power with the 115. This is upgraded horsepower, and a shot of the console here. Plenty of room for a good 7-inch GPS chart plotter, depth sounder combo. Got your stainless helm. Couple cup holders in front as well. Little toe kick here so your feet can slide up as you're underway. Convenient spot for a fire extinguisher, and just a nice spacious casting platform for a 17-footer. If you have not experienced a 17 Montauk, look at that flare in the bow. This is one of the hulls that put Whaler on the map so many years ago and is really timeless. Come see her in person for yourself today. You can visit us at MarineMax Clearwater on Highway 19. Give us a call at 727-536-2628. Again, I'm Matt Norman with the sales department here at MarineMax Clearwater. You can take a look at this 17, our Sea Rays, and a lot of this 17's larger brothers and sisters here at our dealership. Again, thanks for joining me on this walkthrough, and we will see you on the water.